More bargains at Aldi's, peeps. It's quite busy, so I don't want to draw too much attention to myself, so I'm just going to pan the old camera up. So you can have a look. Some good bargains here at Aldi's. Not the best camera work today, but as I stated, it's busy, so don't want people to get shirty with me. Looks alright, don't it? Bumblebees. Plant labels. Can all do more of those. $3.99 brush set. Whoops. $9.99 timber sprayer. These are quite groovy. It's a mini incinerator. Kind of cool, isn't it? 10 quid. Sprayable shed and fence treatment. Good. For rough sawn fences and sheds. Dark oak. Dark oak. Red cedar. Decking paint. $9.99. Decking stain, rather. What colour is that? Don't know. Rich mahogany. Looks like it's all rich mahogany. Might be some more colours, but lattice wooden planter. That's $19.99. Corner effect sofa. $199.99. There you go. Look. Plant, decorative trellis. Garden stakes for things like roses. $3.99. Self-watering trough. Self-watering trough. $3.99. Patio heaters. So much here. Masonry paint. $6.49. Electric grass trimmer. 20 quid. $19.99. Well, the steel chimney. 43 litre flexi tub. $3.49. Get down Aldi's, peeps. Picket fence, 10 quid each, 3-pack. 30 metres squared, that is. There you go. See that better than me? Pause it if you're interested. Fire basket. Barbecues, look. Sweet corn there. Rattan effect. Obelisk. 100 litre water butt set, $18.99. Pewter effect grow trough, $14.99. These are pretty cool, aren't they, for those of you who want to get into container growing. And water butts here. Plant food. Liquid lawn feed, all-purpose tissue release plant food, soluble plant food. Petrol chainsaw, 80 quid. mesh. Grass carpet. Cool, man, cool. Wooden cold frame, 30 quid. It's good value, really. Probably couldn't build it for that, could you? Including time and materials. And brooms and these sort of scrubbing paving brushes. These are very good for like cleaning in between block paving. I've used them. Incinerator, $14.99. Milano planter, $8.99. And for those of you interested, electronic ab trainer for $24.99. Whatever turns you on. Right, what we got here? Oh, grow cloche. Should I buy one? $3.99. No, I don't need any more stuff. Natural lawn feed. Rooting powder. Get down to Aldi's, peeps, if you're interested. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.